How to see only unread emails on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can see only unread emails on Gmail. So how do you go about it? The first step is for you to launch the Gmail application and log in. Then once you're logged in, the next step is for you to move to the top part of the screen where you can see the search bar, tap on it, and then type out the option unread. All right, you can just have is, then colon, then unread, exactly, unread, and then messages that you've not read would be the one displayed. So this option is unread will filter your inbox to show only unread emails, and then you can easily focus on the emails that need your attention. So you can see how it works. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.